Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to claim a Google business profile. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any preferred browser and search for Google My Business. From the search results, open the first website. Once you are on the website, click on the Manage Now button. You will be asked to start setting up your new business profile. Simply enter the same business name as that of the business you would like to claim. As you type, a drop-down menu will appear with matching business names. Select your business from the list and click on Request Access. Next, you will need to choose the access level. Select Ownership to indicate that you are the owner of the business. Then, choose the relationship as owner from the options provided. After that, enter your personal information, such as your name and contact details. You will also see a statement at the end of the form. Make sure to read it carefully and then checkmark the box to agree with the statement. Finally, click on the Submit button to send your request. Google will review your request and notify you once the process is complete. So that's basically how you can claim a Google business profile. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.